Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable always on display on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. Of course, by default, this smartphone does not support always on display. This feature is not added on that device. However, we can use a third-party app in order to enable always on display. So we can go to the Play Store in order to find this app over here. Let me actually go back to show you how to find it. So we need to tap at the top of the screen in order to start searching, and then we need to use the Muviz Edge app. We can type Muviz Edge, and then you should be able to find this app. Let's press install. Let's give it a second. And after you download it and install it on your device, we can open it. Now we need to give permissions for this app, so let's tap draw over apps. And then after a second, we should open a new menu. And over here, we need to select the Muviz Edge and then allow display over other apps. We need to enable this option. Then we can go back by tapping this arrow once again, and we should have access to the app. At the bottom of the screen, we can go to AOD, and here we have a bunch of different AODs. So let's try to use an example one. I'm gonna choose this one, and then we can tap apply in order to use it. And there we go. Now we can go back, and if I try to enable the AOD, there we go. We have now AOD, and we can just simply tap on it in order to open the phone. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.